So Joe, you told me this is the future right here.
It's the future, yeah.
What's your name? Maverick?
Maverick Nelson.
Oh, Maverick Nelson. Who's this?
Morgan Nelson.
What's your first name?
Morgan.
Morgan. How old are you?
7.
7. Do you know how old he is? How old?
10.
10. Who's he?
Jeb Meyer.
Jeb?
Jeb.
Jet. How old are you?
8.
8. Yeah. And what are you holding?
Panels.
What are they, paddles?
Paddles.
And what do you use them for?
To like move the cattle up to the ring.
Move the cattle up to the ring?
So you like go like this and you move them over their head.
So these are like rattles, aren't they?
Yeah.
Does it scare them a little bit and they move on?
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been doing this a while?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you in 4-H? What do you have?
Steer.
A steer? What are you doing with the steer?
You show them.
Show them? Have you showed them yet?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you doing well with it?
Yeah.
Are you in 4-H? Yeah? What do you have a steer? No, what do you have?
A pig.
You have a pig? There you have it. Are you in 4-H? No.
I don't show that.
You ride, don't you? Yeah, what do you ride?
Steers and calves.
Steers and calves? Is it fun?
He's a rodeo man.
You're a rodeo guy. You wanted to get on that calf that went by, didn't you? Is this what you do in the summer?
Yeah.
And does Joe pay you well?
No, we can't pay him, but they just come and help out.
Okay, Joe. I wanted to hear it from them. It's an experience that you're getting paid with. Remember that, okay? Come on!
Goodbye.
That's not good, is it?
No, he's good.
Come on!
See?
Come on!
What are you going to do with them when they get here, John?
Go back! So what do they think? They think they're going to be taken to another pasture? They're going to be mad? That's her house.
It's warm. It's warm. It's warm. She just laid it. She just laid it.
Oh, and it's kind of broken. It must be broken because this is...
Nope. It's just her feather. Comes out of her butt.
Happened to me once.
You laid an egg?
One time. No.
So yeah, tell them about Brooks. What are you going to do with him?
Going to do what? Turn them into meat. Yeah, no, that's not going to make air.
Here.